Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix statistical analysis with SPSS detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your statistical analysis with SPSS, start by identifying the problem you're facing. Gather your dataset and ensure it's clean and organized. Open SPSS and load your dataset by selecting File and then Open. Choose the appropriate file type for your dataset and select it to load. Once your data is open, familiarize yourself with the variable view. Check for missing values or outliers that could skew your results. If you find missing data, decide on a method for handling it, such as imputation or exclusion. Next, define the appropriate statistical tests for your analysis based on your research question. For example, if you're comparing means, you might consider using a t-test or ANOVA. To conduct a t-test, navigate to Analyze, then Compare Means, and select Independent Samples t-test. Choose your test variables and grouping variable, then click OK to run the test. Review the output window for your results, paying close attention to p-values and confidence intervals. If you need to run a regression analysis, go to Analyze, then Regression, and select Linear. Input your dependent and independent variables, then click OK to execute the analysis. Examine the coefficients table for insights on your variable's significance and impact. When you notice issues with model assumptions, such as normality or homoscedasticity, consider transforming your data. You can transform variables using Transform from the top menu, selecting Compute Variable to create adjusted measures. Once your analyses are complete, ensure your results are interpreted correctly. Contextualize findings within your research framework, noting practical implications. Be sure to create visualizations to enhance the presentation of your findings. Utilize SPSS's graphing features, which are found under the Graphs menu. Generate charts and graphs that clearly represent your data for better clarity. Finally, document your analysis process systematically for reproducibility and future reference. This documentation will serve as a foundation for any future statistical analyses you conduct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.